Pigeon peas rice is super quick and simple to prepare. So if you're looking for a side dish that is delicious, try out making this rice recipe. So I have minimal ingredients over here, which you're going to find listed in the description box down below. To start off, I'm going to place a pot over high flame, add in some cooking oil, add in 1 small onion, garlic and ginger. Saute the onions, garlic and ginger until the onions are soft and sweet and the garlic and ginger is fragrant. If you're a little bit skeptical about adding some garlic and ginger to your recipes, please try out about 1 clove or 2 cloves of garlic and a small piece of ginger, because the flavor is always very amazing and aromatic. So try out adding some garlic and ginger while cooking. This smells so amazing. To my pot, I'm going to be adding in some nice spices. So I have some black pepper, garlic powder, paprika, cumin seeds and fennel seeds. Also, I'm going to be adding in a seasoning cube. Stir in the spices in the pot. Crush the seasoning cube. Next, I'm going to add in my pigeon peas. Stir in. The aroma is just amazing. I always boil my cereals beforehand and store the cereals in the fridge, in the freezer section. So I've already defrosted my pigeon peas. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to toast for around 1 minute so that the pigeon peas can absorb all the nice flavors from my spices, especially the cumin and fennel seeds. At this point also, I'm going to be adding in some dried chilies. So if you don't love a lot of heat, you can remove the seeds on the inside. I'm just going to be adding the chilies whole, and then I'm going to remove later. This is how my pigeon peas are looking at this point. So I'm going to add in 1 chili and a teaspoon of tomato paste. Add in a splash of water. Before storing my pigeon peas, I washed and soaked my pigeon peas for around 20 minutes, and then I used a pressure cooker to boil my pigeon peas until tender. If you don't have a pressure cooker, you can use a jiko, or if you can't find pigeon peas wherever you are, you can use canned pigeon peas, which you can find in any supermarket. Always clean your rice before cooking. So I washed my rice until the water was clear, and then I soaked the rice for about 20 minutes before cooking. Stir in the rice together with the pigeon peas. Toast for about a minute, and just look at this. This looks delicious already, and it's not even cooked. Rice is a staple food worldwide, so there's so many rice recipes, including this one. So you can check out my playlist in the description box for rice recipes, which are amazing and delicious. Stir in my rice and let the rice come to a boil. So when it comes to rice, I love using basmati rice because the outcome is always amazing. So I added 1 cup of rice and 2 cups of water. You can also use some chicken stock or beef stock for the rice. Check if the seasoning is perfect. If it's not perfect, you're going to add some more seasoning so that the dish can be very well seasoned. When the water has reduced, I'm going to cover and simmer this on low for around 5 minutes until the rice is cooked. The red capsicum has added a lot of color to my dish, so if you can't find the red capsicum, you can try out any capsicum that you can find. So this recipe is just amazing because it's cheap, very delicious and healthy. And I hope you'll be trying out making this pigeon peas rice recipe.